Good afternoon. I'm Faye Thompson. Today we're going to do a family recipe. It's called Chicken Eating Aisle. We're going to cut this chicken breast in two so it won't be so thick. And then I'll also take a rolling pin and we'll put it between these two pieces of wax paper and try to thin it down a little bit. It's way too thick. I don't think I've ever seen a chicken breast that big before. It's huge. Okay, we're going to put this between two pieces of wax paper. And I'm going to roll this. Try to get it thinned down a little bit. Now I think that is thin enough. Now we sprayed our casserole with Pam and we're ready to put our dried beef. This is Armour's dried beef. It comes in a little jar. Okay, we're going to put this dried beef in the bottom of the pan. We just layer it like this. If you want to overlay some of it, we can. We'll put it down like this first. Now we've got our dried beef ready to put our chicken and our sauce on. I'm going to wrap this piece of bacon around this. Now we're going to make our sauce that goes on top of the chicken and the beef. We're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream. This is a 16-ounce can, and I'm just going to take half of it out. We're going to guess at that. We're going to use 2 cans of Campbell's cream of chicken soup. You know, I like cream of chicken soup. I use it in a lot of recipes. Cream of mushroom and cream of chicken too. Okay, we have that cream now. We're going to pour this over our chicken and it'll be ready to go in the oven. Now we have our casserole ready to go in the oven. We're going to put it in 325-degree oven for 2 hours. Our chicken eating aisle is finished now, and we cooked it on a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. And I hope you enjoy this as much as my family does. And I hope I see you on another video. Thank you for watching.